Okay, so I'm Arun. I'm heading the product at Hawky. So to talk about Hawky, we are right now solving the biggest pain points that the performance marketers across any brand would have. So basically being able to identify the right creative strategy and being able to scale it, right? So we have seen a lot of performance marketers struggle with tens and twenties of spreadsheets to identify which creative element is working the best for them. So we'll be able to scale it better. And this is not done easily also, right? Like everything that they do to create these sheets are done manually. And it's a time consuming process. So if one thing that AI can do really, really efficiently is speeding up your manual tasks if implemented right, if implemented properly, right? So that's why whenever we talk to a brand, they are immediately be able to resonate with the problem statement that we are solving, right? To talk about a few examples, one brand that we are helping out is trying to get into a new market. They're trying to expand into a new market, and anything that worked for them in the past is not working out for them anymore, right? So now they have to move fast, identify what creative elements are working very well for them, and scale it and scale down things that are not working very well for them. So that will definitely take a lot of time if it's done manually. So with the competitive intelligence and creative intelligence that we have, assume that it's going to be done overnight and it's going to be done on a daily basis. So the way that performance marketing teams move is going to drastically change, right? So a lot of wasted ad spends are going to be saved by this process. So we are right now working on Meta and Google. We are soon expand. We are working towards expanding into new channels. We are expanding into solving new use cases, and we are also very close to launching our Copilot, which will be able to one. It knows all your both creative and competitive data, and it also knows the trend data, right? Like what is going on around the internet, right? So based on all this intelligence, it will be able to give you quick insights. It will be able to answer all your questions, and on top of everything, it will be able to generate creatives, right? So nowadays, generating a creative is not a hard thing, right? Anyone can generate a creative, right? The difficult thing is generating a creative that works for your brand, right? Like I was mentioning, the same messaging that was working for a brand in a different market is not working for them in the new territory that they are going into, right? So it's not easy to just generate creatives out of nowhere, right? The tool that you're using should know your performance marketing data. It needs to know your competitor marketing data, right? And it also needs to know what is going on in the internet. So it'll be able to come up with the right kind of messaging, right kind of strategy that you can scale. So soon we'll be able to, like, the plan is to build the OS for marketing, performance marketing team specifically. So they can start their day by opening Hawky. Hawky is almost like working when you're sleeping, right? You don't have to spend hours and hours maneuvering over spreadsheets to come up with insights, right? You wake up and you open Hawky and you get new insights that you can scale across your campaigns.